UAVS stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at AG Eagle aerial system stock, and it's 18 to 19% down. That's just Friday. From what I can see, last week's performance was actually quite positive, and we filled in some gaps, so that's all good and everything, but it was like 44% up and whatnot. And just for context, I'm sticking to a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions and I've documented everything. That being said, like my previous bias was exactly this. As long as like there was a double break, I was willing to short, and for the longest time it went down and then went up again. What I'm going to do though right now is just that it's exactly the same. Like this is the supply area, so I'm not going to short unless there is like a double break here. If there is, then cool. If there is not one, then I guess it's not going to be something that I'll entertain. So I'll do this normal, and this is kind of the low. So if you want to learn how to trade stocks full time in 40 to 70 days for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's a free course.